In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use class tracking in QuickBooks Online. If you want clearer, more insightful reports by department, location, or project, class tracking is a powerful way to tag your transactions and see exactly where your money is coming from and going. I'll walk you through selecting a transaction, assigning an existing class, and creating a new class on the fly if you need one. Start by heading to the accounting area from the main left-hand menu. This takes you to where your transactions live, so you can review and update them. Once you're there, find and open the specific transaction you want to categorize. It could be an expense, a bill, an invoice, or a bank transaction you're adding to your books. Open the details so you can edit the fields. In the transaction detail window, look for the class field. You'll usually find it near category or line details, depending on the form you're in. If you already have the class you want, simply choose it from the dropdown. That immediately tags the transaction for class-based reporting and keeps your books consistent with your internal structure. If you don't see the exact class you need, no problem. From that same dropdown, select Add New. This opens a small window where you can create a class on the spot without leaving the transaction you're working on. Keeping your workflow in one place helps reduce errors and saves time. In the class creation window, type the class name. Use a clear, consistent naming convention, such as a department name, a location, or a project label, so your team can easily recognize and use it later. Short, specific names work best and keep your reports tidy. Enter the name in the highlighted field exactly as you want it to appear in reports and dropdowns. Double-check spelling and spacing here. A small typo can create duplicate variations and clutter your list. When you're happy with the name, click Save. Your new class is now available in the dropdown and applied to the transaction you're editing. Finish reviewing any other details, then save the transaction to lock in the change. From this point on, the class will be available for any future transactions, helping you keep everything categorized with just a couple of clicks. If you don't see a class field at all, your company may need class tracking enabled. Check with your admin or your account settings to make sure it's turned on. That's it. By selecting a transaction, assigning or creating the right class, and saving your changes, you set yourself up for cleaner, more meaningful financial reports.